Hello everybody, welcome to our quick candle pattern series with Dylan Peacock. I'm going to be talking to you about the 3 white soldiers and the 3 black crows. 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers candle pattern is a reverse pattern from bearish to bullish. It is also used as a continuation pattern in an upward trend. The pattern consists of 3 large green candles and is best used when breaking above resistance or as a bounce off of a support level. It is a potential trigger once a strategy has confirmed the support level or change in trend. The pattern is comprised of 1, 2, 3 large green candles. Here you can see some very good examples. The next is the 3 black crows. The 3 black crows is used as a reversal pattern from bullish to bearish. It is also used as a continuation pattern in a downward trend. The pattern consists of 3 large red candles and is best used once support has been broken. It is used as a potential trigger once a strategy has confirmed a resistance level or change in trend. And here on the right you can see this is what they look like. 1, 2, 3 large red candles. Here you have 1 gap, 2, 3 large red candles, and this one here still qualifies as 3 black crows. 1, 2, 3 red candles. Thank you for viewing our 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows video. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue providing useful content.